Morning, guys. So today, Brandon and Ava spent the night, and so, and then Sophie's friend Caroline came over, so that is very fun. So I have to go get ready because my hair is a mess. Oh, and Caroline came over because her parents are away and she didn't have anywhere else to go. So we told her parents that we'll take her for the weekend. So I'm going to get dressed and go take a shower. So if I didn't mention already, Ava and Brandon are downstairs in the guest room. So I'm going to shower real quick. And then I'm going to go wake up the kids, of course, after I'm done brushing my teeth. And I think today I'm also going to tell the kids that I'm dating Brandon, and then we're going to go to the beach today. So that's going to be very, very fun. So let me go wake up the kids. Ryan, wake up! Ryan. Good morning. Good morning, wake up. We're gonna go to the beach today and I have some exciting news. So get ready. And no ball in the house. Jeez. Riley, wake up. Riley. Good morning. I have some exciting news for you guys. Well, for all your siblings, and we're gonna go to the beach today, so get ready. Oh, hello, Coraline. How are you? How did you sleep? Maybe she's just taking a while because maybe she didn't hear me. Sophie, wake up. Sophie. Good morning. Your friend's here. Coraline, remember? Coraline's here. She's downstairs. I think she went downstairs, or she's in the bathroom. I'm gonna go wake up Brandon and Ava. Oh, good morning, Ava. Oh, good morning, Brandon. Hello. Oh, no. Oh, all right. We're going to go to the beach today. Maybe her parents came back early. Oh, I'll make everyone breakfast. Since it's National Pancake Day, you guys, I'm going to make some pancakes. Because we love National Pancake Day. Oh, can you take it out, please? I didn't put that in there. Sophie, please take it out, because that would be very nice. Because I don't want the kids taking it out. Oh, okay then. Nothing. I think I'm going to tell them while we're eating. Hello, Ava. How did you sleep? Oh, you did? Sophie, be nice. I'm glad you had fun. I'm making some pancakes for National Pancakes Day. Sophie, sit at the table. All right, you guys, well, I have some important news for you three kids, Riley, Ryan, and Sophie, off the island. How about we all come sit down here? I'll stand while I tell you guys the important. Of course, you guys can all sit down. Actually, we have enough room for everyone to sit at the table. That's great. So, kids, I have some exciting news. Well, I'm dating Brandon. Oh, Ryan, chill. Ryan, chill. Sophie, chill out. Yes. He's not your new dad yet, silly. We're only dating. Chill out. Oh, Aunt Kiara's here. Hello, Aunt Kiara. Hello. Come in. Please come in. Brandon's here. I told you about Brandon. Sophie, shut up. This is my sister, Aunt Kiara. She's my little sister. Well, sister-in-law, I should say. Because Uncle Matt's my brother, and... Sophie, go up to your room right now. Now. Don't feel bad. It's just Sophie. She's a teenager, you know. Well, we're all gonna go to the beach. Aunt Kiara, do you want to meet us there? Because I don't think I have enough room for all of us in my car. Yeah, I'm gonna go get in my bathing suit. You guys get in yours as well. Sophie, get into your... Oh, you're already in your bathing suit. And me and Brandon are sitting in the front seat. I'm gonna go change in my room. Ryan, go get changed. So now that I gotta make my bed, but whatever, I don't care. So now I'm in my bathing suit, my Burberry. I think I'm saying that right. I don't know how to pronounce it because I'm just fancy like that. Let me make my bed so it's nice. I'll leave my door open as well because why not? Let the air get through. All right, you guys. Are you guys all ready to go? Oh, Sophie, you can go with Aunt Kiara if you would like. I'll pull my car out, everyone. Oh my God. I was about to just run into her. Ah. Come on in, you guys. No one sit in the front. That's where Brandon's gonna sit. All right, great. Sophie, you're going with Aunt Kiara, right? All right, Riley. So, all right, guys. Well, we just got here, and we just got here. It took us a while. Like, it took us 4 hours to get here. Oh, and if you didn't know, Aunt Alana joined us because I called her and she said that she could come. And Riley also took her braids down because she didn't feel like having the ponytails anymore. Oh, so now we're all swimming, and yeah. Oh, it's okay. She's just a teen. She's gonna be like that sometimes. I think her problem is that she's afraid that you're gonna take Harrison's spot, which is my ex-husband, if you didn't know. That would never happen. I try to tell her that, but she doesn't understand. Do you guys want to go up and get some and go on the Ferris wheel? We can all go on the Ferris wheel. I can call him and ask if that's okay. Yeah, I think that's fine. All right, let's all get off and let's dry off and go on to the beach. I'm going to stay in my bathing suit because it's still nice outside. Oh, Sophie's over there getting ice cream. Okay. Who wants to ride with me? All right, you want to ride with me, Riley? Okay. Riley already said she would. How about you ride with your How about you ride with Brandon? How about you ride with Brandon, Ryan? Come on, Riley, let's go. Let's get this yellow one. Come on, hop on. There we go. Did you have fun today, Riley? Ooh, the stars are very pretty. That's good that you had fun. Do you like the new bathing suit I got you? That's good. That's really, really good. The stars are really beautiful tonight. I'm glad you like Brandon. Sophie's just afraid that he'll take Harrison's spot. But no one, that'll never happen. And I mean, like, you know. Oh, look, Ryan's waving at you. Hi, Ryan. Hi, you guys. We're going down. This Ferris wheel is so big. I'm getting a little bit cold. I think I might change after we get down. It's getting really dark under here. They should really add some more lights. All right, hop off carefully. All right, I'm gonna go change you guys. I'll be right back. All right, now I'm gonna change into this outfit. Okay, there we go. All right, you guys. Hey, Ava. Are you okay with the news that Brandon told you? That's good. Hey, Sophie. I know you're not okay with the news. Just remember this. Brandon will never take your dad's spot, I promise, okay? I promise. He will not. And I thought you were fine with the decision that me and your... It's because you're always mean to them. How about you just try being nicer to them, okay? Well, do you guys want to all go home? Let's all go home. Hop in, everyone. I'm glad you've had fun, Brandon. Riley, Ryan, Sophie, Ava, did you guys have fun? Aw, thank you. No need to call me Miss Clara, Ava. You can call me Clara. Sophie, stop being sarcastic. I know you're just being sarcastic. All right, you guys. Yeah, Sophie isn't serious. All right, you guys, hop out. I'll see you guys inside. We can all watch a movie or something. I just don't know why Sophie won't appreciate Brandon. Very rude. I'm gonna go get into my pajamas. All right. I'm gonna go get into my pajamas. I'll be right back down. Ryan, just leave your sister alone, okay? Let me change into my sleep outfit. And there we go. Now I can go downstairs. We're all gonna watch a movie, okay? Ooh, a gift. No need to get gifts. I don't need it. You can give it to Aunt Alana and Aunt Kiara. Ooh. Let's all watch a movie, guys. I'll set it up and I'll sit right here. Oh, thank you, Riley. Oh. There. Riley wanted to give that to you. Oh, I got it for you. It's from me. Hi, Sophie. I'm glad you appreciate it, Brandon. What is it, Sophie? All right. Great, Ryan. Thank you. That's good that he was being nice to you. See, all you gotta do is be nice back. All right. Aw, see, Ava's giving up her spot for you, Sophie. Oh, well, you can sit between Brandon and Aunt Alana, okay? Go sit down in the corner. I'm kind of getting tired, you guys, so I think I'm gonna go upstairs. Please get to bed by 1 o'clock, okay? So like in 20 minutes. Someone can take my spot. All right, guys, I'll be upstairs. Good night, everyone. Night, Brandon. Night, Ava. Night, Riley. Night, Aunt Kiara. Night, Sophie. Night, Ryan. Night, Aunt Alana. Let's go upstairs, Riley. I'll tuck you guys in. Go in. Aw. Good night, Riley. Mwah. Good night, Ryan. Mwah. Come say goodnight to Sophie as well. Good night, Sophie. Just remember that Brandon won't take your father's spot, okay? And try being nice to Ryan and Riley, and then they'll be nice back, okay? Good night. Mwah. See you in the morning. Oh, there you go. I'm gonna also go tuck in everyone. I'll turn off the lights. Get ready for the power to be out. Good night. Good night. Good night, Ava. Good night, Brandon. Good night. See you guys in the morning. Let me go in here. Turn on my lamp. And let's go. Great, thank you guys so much for watching this video. It really means a lot to me. The comment of the question of the day is, what should the question of the day be, you guys? What should the question of the day be? Ooh, who's your favorite person in the role play? Yes, who's your favorite person in the role play? That's a good one. And and so I hope you guys enjoyed that beach day. And so I'll see you guys next time. And sorry for all the DMs I keep getting because I'm just a busy person. I'll see you guys all next time, and make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. I really want to get to 65 subscribers by the end of February. I'll see you guys all next time. Bye!